As we all know, our Tamil Nadu fishermen's lives are in a crisis because most of our innocent fishermen unknowingly cross the international maritime border between India and Sri Lanka. This has been a serious issue for a long time. So as a solution to this crisis, we are proposing an idea of fixing a GPS alerting device on fishermen's boats to prevent this from happening any further. Now let us look upon Indo-Sri Lankan border, where the area near the Kachativu island is where the actual issue happens. Let us divide the Indian region near the borders into three zones: area till 1 km the hot zone, area till 5 km the warning zone, area till 10 km the alert zone. Now let us assume the green dot as the boat in which our GPS alerting device has been fixed. When the boat reaches the alert zone, initially the device will notify the fishermen about their position in the sea and simultaneously send a message to the control room in the Indian shores. Further, if the boat reaches the warning zone, an alarm will start buzzing from the boat and simultaneously a message will be sent to the Indian Coast Guard about this issue. If the fisherman ignores this alert and if they reach the final hot zone, the engine will be seized and the Coast Guards will reach them soon for assistance. Now this can further be improvised by developing an offline GPS tracking app with the same functionality. This system can also be used internationally where similar kind of issue happens. Thank you.